What's good, y'all? Making me some marinade for my pork loin that I got over here. That I'm about to clean up and trim down, cut in half, and marinate. And what I got here is a little bit of soy sauce. Did some red onions, a little sugar, and garlic, fresh garlic. I'm letting that sit a little bit. And once I get this meat trimmed up and everything, I'm gonna come back and do a little short video and marinate it for about an hour. And then the next video it'll be probably the finished meat as it comes out the stove. All right, y'all, here's my pork loin. Went ahead and cleaned it up. Got a lot of that membrane fat off of it. And as you can see, this thing is pretty long. So what I'm gonna do is cut it in half. And then I'm gonna use my little marinade right there. And then let it soak for about an hour. Yeah, we do clean our meats. So, because I know a lot of folks that don't. But anyhow, let me go ahead and put this phone down and come back in the next video and I'll show y'all the finished product. All right, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all that when I prepared this marinade for this meat, I went ahead and made some slices in it. And then I'm gonna go diagonal with the slices as such, so that marinade can get up in there real good. All right, I'm gonna do this one here. All right, I'm going back diagonal with this one. All right, now it's time for the marinade. I'll see y'all back on the next video. I know I keep making all these little short videos, y'all, but I like to clean as I go. So just wanted to show you I got 2 stations here with the marinade. So I'm gonna cover these up. But as you can see, got the marinade going on. Let them soak. All right. All right, y'all, it's showtime. I'm back. All right. You know I'm old school, so I love my roasting pans, old fashioned. This is all the drizzling or juice or whatever you want to call it that's left over from the pork loins that I had in the oven. I had them on 275. It was taking a little bit too long, so I turned it up a little notch to 325. While I was doing that, I went ahead and made my glaze, which consists of 2 tablespoons, about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, brown sugar, and honey. And I also add, and I don't measure my stuff, I just do it to taste. Went ahead and added to spice it up a little bit, I added a little bit of pineapple juice and peach juice. The peach juice really made it pop. All right, so I transferred the loins over to the glass dishes over here. You can see they turned out real nice and pretty. All right, now I'm about to put this glaze on here. I'm gonna stick it back in the oven, let it bake on, and then it's showtime. All right, y'all. Like I said, I'm about to put this glaze on. My presentation is everything. So let me put the rest of this glaze on. I already put a little bit on already. And I'm about to stick this bad boy back in the oven. Got my little pineapple. Now, like I said, I already had put a first layer of glaze on here on the bottom, so I'm just doing a little bit of top so these pineapples and peaches don't burn. Y'all like what y'all see, man. Give me a like in the comments or whatever. You know, I'm always up for constructive criticism too, so I got thick skin, so. All right, y'all, I'm back. I went ahead and put the glaze back on, like I said in the earlier video. Stuck it back in the oven. Turned it back on, left it on 325, and then I turned it on broil so the top can go ahead and brown just a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this bad boy and let y'all know what I think. Let's see which one. Let's go with the peaches. So it's delicious. All right, y'all. Appreciate it. Showtime.